I'm Thomas Smith, and I love to feed my backyard chickens some different healthy scraps. It's a really nice way to supplement the feed that you give them, get them some nice, natural, healthy type of stuff, and also to get rid of your excess table scraps in a way where you're not just throwing them away. So this is the platter of what I've got here. I've got lettuce in there. I've got some nice bread, some crackers, little bits of taco that didn't get eaten there. Underneath here, I've got tomatoes, and the key is just, you don't want to overdo it. They're just like people. They shouldn't be eating too much, too much at once, and also shouldn't be eating unhealthy stuff. So this big hunk of bread is kind of a treat, but generally, vegetables, fruits, that kind of thing. If I have scraps, I like to bring it out for them. So let's see what they think of it. I think they're enjoying the treats. That bread is definitely popular. But we got some takers for the lettuce here too, very healthy.